how to recover X or Twitter account without email or phone number. Recovering a X account without access to the associated email or phone number can be challenging, but it is not impossible. So, today we are here with some steps you can take to attempt account recovery. Firstly, tap on the login option available in the below. So, after you tap on the login option, you will be navigated to enter your phone number, email or username. As you can see, now simply tap on the forgot password option available there, and even when you forget tap on the forget your password, then you will again have to enter the email. So now simply go to the any web browser in your phone and type down helptwitter.com in a search address bar, and it will be navigated to the help center of Twitter. Now simply tap on the search icon available in the top right corner. After you tap on the search icon, you will have to type down recover and search for it. Now scroll down and tap on the how to reset a lost or forgotten password. Now scroll down till you find the X support option available. So you can see there is an X support option available. Tap on it in blue highlights. So now all you have to do is tap on the options given by the Twitter or X. So you will have to choose your options accurately in order to recover your Twitter account without the email or username or phone number. So simply tap on this and you can see I need to recover or regain access to my X account. Now tap on the second box option available there, and there tap on the I forgot my password. So now you will get to see the two option or two checkbox option available there. Tap on the email address. So now after you tap on the email address, scroll down and you will get to see the option available there in order to change it. So now enter your new email address and reset it. So account recovery process can take time, so be patient and follow up with the Twitter support. If you don't hear back within a reasonable time frame, it may take multiple attempts to successfully recover your account. So by following these steps, you will easily recover your Twitter account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.